Hi, I am Alankrit. Today I will discuss LeetCode Biweekly Contest 172. So let's start from the very first problem. In this problem, we are given an array and we have to delete the first three elements until the array is empty or it does not contain any duplicate value and return the number of operations required. So let's try to run this thing. Now in this example, the given array is this one, and if we apply the operation then this part would be deleted, and since the resultant does not contain any duplicate value, therefore the answer would be n is equals to 1. Now to achieve this we can use our default dictionary, in which we will assign default value to be 0 for every key. Now we will start from the rightmost point and will go towards the leftmost one, and we will increase the counter of every value by 1. Now if at any point the value becomes equals to 2, then we would stop. And now we know that we have to delete till that part, so we can very easily find how many operations are required to do that. Now let's try to run what I have said. Now for this we can keep the dictionary like this. Now for this element the value would be 1, and for this also it would be 1, for 6 also, for 3 also. But at this point, since 8 already exists, therefore the value at this key would become 2, and we will stop here. Now we know how many elements are there before this. In this case we have 2 elements, so we can easily find the operations. For 2 elements we have to apply one operation, and all the elements would be deleted. So for this the code would be like this. Now let's try to run this code. Let's submit this. It got accepted. So the time complexity of this code is somewhat about O of n, since Python says that for every key for finding every key value pair it takes of one operation. Therefore its time complexity is O of n.